Hello, this is Mark with Bailey Software. This tutorial will demonstrate the basics of the Portfolio Editor and Fund Manager. If the Portfolio Editor isn't already open, you can open it by going to the View menu and selecting Portfolio Editor. The Portfolio Editor is a top-level window like reports and graphs, and you can select it from the window menu if you have it open. The Portfolio Editor is used to organize your investments and sub-portfolios and works a lot like the File Explorer in Windows. The left-hand side lists all of your sub-portfolios, and the right-hand side lists the contents of whatever you have selected on the left. To manually create a new sub-portfolio, right-mouse click on the sub-portfolio where you'd like to add it and choose New Sub-Portfolio. Here we'll create a new account-level sub-portfolio called Fidelity. And to add a new investment into an existing sub-portfolio, right-mouse click on the desired location and choose New Investment. We'll add a Facebook investment. Next, we'll organize our account-level sub-portfolios into another level of sub-portfolio hierarchy. We'll call it taxable and tax-free, just so that we can analyze our portfolio by those two criteria. So we'll right mouse click on master portfolio and we'll create taxable. Repeat that again to create tax-free. And now that we have our two new sub-portfolios, we're going to move these four sub-portfolios into the appropriate taxable or tax-free sub-portfolio. And you can do that by dragging and dropping. So to drag and drop, you highlight the parent of what you want to move on the left-hand side so that you can see the item that you want to move listed on the right. So in this case, we want to move our two IRA sub-portfolios. So you can use the standard Control and Shift keys to select multiple items. Here we're going to drag from the right and we're going to drop them onto the desired location of tax-free. And then we're going to repeat that for the Fidelity and TD Ameritrade sub-portfolios and put those into the taxable. And you can see now we have another layer of sub-portfolio hierarchy. And you can graph or report at the account level or at the tax-free taxable level or at the whole top-level master portfolio. If you want to modify a sub-portfolio or an investment, you can just right-mouse click on it and go to the properties of that item. So we'll rename master portfolio by going to properties. We'll rename it Jones Family. And if we wanted to modify the properties of an investment, we would go to that investment and right mouse click on it and choose properties. And that brings up the investment properties dialog box where you can modify the properties. You can perform a wide variety of actions from within the portfolio editor, including recording transactions or retrieving prices or retrieving transactions or reconciling. You can do a lot of different activities, mostly just by right mouse clicking and looking at the menu. To learn more about using sub-portfolios and some of the advanced capabilities, see the sub-portfolio tutorial. We'll put a link to that in the description of this video. You can also customize the list view to add a variety of fields. So you can right mouse click on the header and choose Customize, or you can go to the View menu and choose List Column. Either way, you can select from a wide variety of fields to add into the list, and you can order them using the move up and move down. So we'll just add currency here, for example, so you can see we've added another column. You can save column settings to templates and then easily recall different views that you prefer to look at. And the appearance of the portfolio editor can be customized. You can change the fonts and colors. If you just go to the options menu, general preferences, and portfolio editor display, you can see all the display preferences for the portfolio editor. Okay, thanks for watching this quick overview of the portfolio editor.